Hello, everybody. We're live. Yes, welcome to Friday Nights with Sugar Babes. And yes, I am your Sugar Babe for tonight. I am Zai. Yes, your sweet honey bunny sugar. And yes, with me tonight is our very first. So she is the first guest for our Sugar Babe show. Woohoo! May mga viewers na ba tayo? Maayong gabi. So yes, this guest of ours for tonight is actually one of the sweetest sugar babe in Davao City and in the world. And she is also the founder of Davao Jubilee Foundation. She is she's really sweet, and kapitbahay ko siya from the deck. Please help me welcome Miss Cheryl Arellano of Davao Jubilee Foundation. Woohoo! Nasaan ka na?
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, everyone. Good evening all around the world.
Yes. I love those eyeliners. The cat's eye effect. Pinaghandaan talaga. Hindi masyadong halata.
No, Sugar Babes kasi. So, feeling ko lang it should be, a little sweet.
Kaya nga, tama pala. So, because I thought of Miss Cheryl, I wore black with floral kasi nagkakasundo kami sa Victorian na fashion.
Yeah.
Pero ngayon, sweet siya. Parang Britney Spears. Sample naman. Oh, baby, baby, how was I supposed to know?
Loka ka.
Ang cute. Hit me, baby, one more time. Oh, ayun. Dapat yun ang ating background. And yes, tonight we have Darlene sa Facebook and Tina. Hello.
Hi, Darlene. Hi, Tina, my loves. Mwah.
Miss natin ang isa't isa.
Oo nga.
Yeah, so tonight, let's just do chika-chika. Okay, about your love life. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi love life.
Pinawisan.
Pero baka. What else is possible? Okay, so this is just going to be like question and answer portion. So, i-feel lang natin na kasama tayo or kasali tayo sa Miss Universe. Feel lang naman. So, my first question for tonight. Okay, so
That was Tina.
Kaya nga describe yourself in one word. One word lang.
Oh my, yun ba? Akala ko that's question number. I am awesome.
Wow, awesome. I like awesome.
Really? Yeah.
Yes.
I really feel awesome.
Yes, because you are.
I'm 50.
You're 50 and awesome.
Fabulously 50, yeah. On top of that.
You are golden. Seryoso yung 50, guys. Hindi yan siya joke. Meron siyang birth certificate sa tabi niya. Nasaan ang birth certificate?
Anon sa passport.
Okay. Yes, awesome. So you are awesome, Cheryl. And yes, because you are awesome and we know that you are. And yeah, and syempre, marami ka naman talagang ganap sa buhay. Hindi tayo nawawala ng mga ganyan. Ang cute ng bangs ko, oh.
Oo nga. Parang gusto ko na rin mag-bangs.
So, yes, what is your philosophy in life? Ito malalim talaga to. Pang
scrapbook.
Miss Universe times 2.
Sige.
Yes.
Philosophy is... I go through the golden rule. Do unto others what you want others to do unto you. If we all live by that, then we'll have a perfect world. Kasi it begets kindness, it begets love, diba? It's just like saying, okay, Zai, you treat me extra special. I want you to treat me like that. So if I'm going to do that to you, babalik mo yun. So if we all live with that philosophy, I think we'll have a better world. Diba?
Yes. Akala ko, Zai, if you treat me with extra rice.
Alam mo na rin yun. Everything goes. Basta, what I give you, you give me back. Ganun lang yun. Mirroring.
Yes. Echo.
Yes.
Okay, so do unto others what you want others do unto you.
That's the golden rule.
That's the golden rule. So, sige, bibigyan kita ng millions. Bigyan mo rin ako ng millions.
Yeah, kung meron.
Meron naman talaga. Ikaw naman. Okay, we love that. Yes, money come. Okay, so that's
Kasundo na tayo sa eyeliner. Huwag ka na humirit. Huwag ka na humirit.
Sige. Secret lang yun. Isang makeup kit na lang. Joke.
Do unto others. Diba? Pabalik mo yun. Sige ka.
In any form. So kindness begets kindness. But of course, you cannot give that which you do not have. Yes.
I give you love. And everybody, I give love to everybody. Love and light.
Yes. Teka, nag-a-adjust ako ng ring light, guys. Kasi kaka-repair lang ng ring light. Ganda-ganda ng ating guest tonight. Tapos ako anong color ang lipstick ko. Okay, so we're like, the cutie pie and the, terrorist. So, okay. So, our next question. So, you are awesome and you live by the golden rule. And how would you describe your state of mind?
State of mind.
Charot.
No. State of mind ko ngayon, ever since the pandemic, I'm more mindful. No, not more. I am mindful. Oo. Noon, 'di ba, I used to talk with the monkey. Ngayon, okay, monkey, can talk. You get tired. O, 'di ba, paus ka na sa kakasigaw mo sa akin. You're a failure. No, you're not good enough. But now, okay, I am not what's going inside my head. Okay, I feel bad, I feel hurt, but I'm not that. I'm more in tune sa, if I feel bad, I feel bad. So if I cry, I feel the sadness. If I feel happy, then I'm happy. If I want to sing, I feel the song. And ayoko na masyadong mag-multitask. Before, ganyan ako, ang galing ko. Nagtatype ako, tapos yung ka-YouTube. Ngayon hindi. I try to focus on one thing na lang. Ganon. Mas ako. Mas productive na ako, ganyan. Kasi 50 na nga, di ba? So, kailangan choose your stress. And I achieve that with deep breathing, and then the meditation. Meditation for me now is not a practice na. If anywhere I need to calm me down, then I calm my mind down by counting back, sunya, or deep breathing. So I think that's mindful for me. Okay, yeah, I call it mindful.
Wonderful. So napaos na yung monkey. Meron tayong Z-Mint sa DXN. Bigyan natin ng monkey.
May microphone siya.
Yes, it's really wonderful. Like if you like the song, or if you feel like singing, then you just sing it. And you do not Z-Mint for the throat. Ito talaga may emphasis ito kay Tina sa Z-Mint for the throat po. Okay?
Sige, I need that.
Yes. And yes, because the throat shall set you free. All right. Yes, anyway.
Alam ko si Rosabel sa throat.
Kaya nga
Remember?
Sa kanya talaga yun. So, ayun na. Yes, your emotions do not really define you. And it's really wonderful to know that you are already in that stage or in that phase in your life right now.
Sometimes I go up and down, around and around. It's okay.
It's okay. Yes. One day at a time. Yes. And yes, even when the throat hurts. Galing ng ating manager dito. Meron po kaming director dito sa sa Zoom.
Galing.
Yes. Ilan na ba ang ating viewers?
Hi,
mga friends,
viewers.
Mag-share naman kayo. Pa-watch niyo yung mga friends ninyo because kasama, we have 6 million viewers. Kasama po natin ang Fanny is around. Hello, Fanny.
My favorite funny girl. I miss you.
Yes. So this our guest, si Cheryl po, mga kaibigan, ay po siya, singer po siya dati ng mga local brands or locals, whatever dito sa Davao City. Pero kami lang nakakaalam nun, hindi na namin pa-plug pa. Basta, alam niyo yun, mag-sample siya later. Okay. Yes, so next question. Question number 4. How do you define greatness?
Anong number ba yan? Sinulat ko yan kanina eh. Greatness.
Nirambol ko na.
Oo nga, grabe ka. Bakit mo nirambol?
Din siya, guys.
I have to do that kasi seryoso ng mga tanong mo. Sana yung greatness.
Seryoso pala.
Ito. Sa akin, no, when you say greatness, if and when the occasion calls for it, you are standing on my tombstone and you are going to whisper, yeah, she's such a great soul. She is such a great person. Yun yung greatness. Because even in your transition, on your death, yun yung pagkakaalam nila. But it's not the works, ha? It's not the works. It's not the works of your hands that makes you great. It's how you treat a person each and every day. Hindi yung I'll treat you shit today and then bawi ako sa'yo. I'll buy you a car. I'll give you a eyeliner. It's not that. Diba? Ganun siya. It's a lifetime of, it's a lifetime of achievement to say, yun yung greatness. In the context na, if ikaw yung sasabihan, what is greatness? Sa akin, also, natin, in a broader sense, great is not how big you are, but it's how you have lived well, how you have treat one person, you have treat a group or whatever. Yun. Kasi, para siyang boomerang lang din. Ayun yung tombstone. Pag sinabi mong oo, pag sinabi mong, pag inilibing niyo ako at sinabi niyo, yeah, she's such a great lady. Ayun na yun siya. Diba?
Yeah.
I hope.
But you are a great woman. You're a great lady.
I'm a great eater.
You are a great sugar babe. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. So napakalalim po nun mga kaibigan. Sana ay nahabol ninyo dahil hindi ko na ma-re-echo pa yun.
Hindi mo ma-irok.
Oo. So basta yun. Yes, greatness is already within you. It is how you treat yourself and how you treat other people because, people will remember the good deeds. Yes, minsan naisip natin na pag namatay na dyan pa yun, maraming mga great, maraming mga positive na feedback. But what if it's never wrong? What, your choices and whatever. So, but you are living it. You are great in your own little way.
Little way. Yeah.
Yes. So there. Ay, may nagpapalabas. Sana po ay hindi ninyo narinig yung tao.
Narinig ko yun.
Ay, labas daw. Ilabas ang greatness. Okay. So, yes, we have unidentified viewers. Thank you so much for being with us.
Why are they here?
Yes, we have 10 million. Yes, they're here because you are beautiful.
Hello, everybody.
Yes, we have 10. And my question dito, ano daw makeup gamit ni Ate Cheryl? Ayun. Ano daw ba?
Close up ba?
And guwapa daw ta. Oh my God, yes.
Oh, syempre.
Of course.
Makeup is a
So,
mix
hello,
of everything. Oo.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but I'm a Mary Kay girl, you know. So, no, makeup is just makeup. What you have underneath is the real, the true skin. That's what gives off a good makeup. Kahit anong brand yan, kahit tag 50 pesos sa DCLA, basta maganda yung skin mo, your canvas, and you know how to mix it well. So, that's a good makeup. Mm-hmm.
But really, I just like to acknowledge your skin. Maganda talaga ang skin mo sa totoong buhay, guys. So, ewan ko kung anong sikreto niyan. I think naliligo siya ng gatas.
Hindi. Hindi nga ako uminom ng gatas.
O sige, wag ka. Sabi ko naman naliligo, hindi iniinom. Charot. Okay, so Hannah is watching and Miss Cherry
Hannah,
Luz.
my love. Hi, Cherry Luz. Hannah, I miss you, bebe.
Hannah, my love, so sweet.
Mm-mm.
Yes. So,
taka kayo dito sa bahay.
Oo nga eh.
Pasta party tayo.
Narinig yun ni Tina, yung mga taga-north. From the north. Visit kayo dito. Okay. Our next question. What is great about being a woman? What is the essence of being a woman? So what is great about being a woman, about being a sugar babe?
Ayan, mahaba yung ano ko dyan. Sige, magsimula tayo. So, I celebrate my womanhood because I create, I nurture, and I am equal. Again, I celebrate my womanhood because I create, I nurture, and I am an equal to that. Whoever. Why? Okay. At 18, I pursued love. You know, for those who didn't know my background, I am a person with disability, and living and being a teenager at that, hindi po siya madali. Kasi 'di ba, nobody dates you. Ganon. So I pursued that 18 years. I got married at 28. Got pregnant at 28. Nanganak at 28, mother at 28. I got 2 children. And that is my greatest achievement. Na I nurtured two fabulous boys. They are now 22 and 20 in the US. So great guys. They're in school. They earn their own living. So ganon. Hi Jenny, mo, I miss you. And then at 34, I had my marriage annulled. Diba? So that's 16 years of marriage. But I'm not bitter, girls. I tell you. Those are wonderful 16 years. Because we were in love then. So wala. And then I have beautiful, oh Maggie, I miss you. So ganda na. So ayun, as I said, it was good while it lasted. So when we decided to have our marriage annulled, and it's a compromise actually. So now we're friends. So, and each of us has lived our own life. And now I'm 50, diba? At 50, masabi ko na sa'yo, I achieved freedom. Because noon, gusto kong magka-boyfriend, gusto kong mag-asawa, gusto kong magka-anak. Ngayon, I have all that. I have done that. Fabulously. Now I'm free. I can date anyone. I can marry anyone I like. I can buy anyone I like. Charot, joke lang. No.
Ayun yun.
Narinig niya yun?
Sugar mama.
Yung joke lang yun. Diba? O hindi hindi ako cougar ha.
Sugar babe. We're sugar
pero
babe.
My goodness. Ay, hindi ko na ikukwento sa inyo yung mga naliligaw ko anong age bracket. O yun, ayan nyo ba to? Or sa inyong grupo lang? Huwag nyo namang i-public.
Naka-live po tayo.
Don't tag me. Diyos ko. Ganito. To sum up, at 50, okay? At 50, it's like being 18 again with 38 years of experience. 50 yun. I feel like 18 again. But I have 38 years of experience. I still giggle when I see macho guys na nagpapacharot-charot. I go on dates. Pero ayun, no, yung parang yun nga, it's freedom. I'm not saying when you say freedom, you can do whatever. No, freedom is, I can choose who I wanted to go out to. I'm not pressured in anything, di ba? Sabi ko, nag-asawa na ako, nagkaanak. And I'm free. So I think that's the celebration of womanhood. Yung ikaw na lang, yung, I got to celebrate myself, not to please anyone, not to serve anyone, because I've done that. Hindi nga lang siya lifetime, but tingnan natin kung may take two. But for now, I'm enjoying it. 5 years and counting, but I'm enjoying it. Yeah. Ayun, sige. Kasi 30 minutes lang tayo.
Yes. I like that. No, I like that. It's okay. It's okay. I really love that. Gusto ko yung answer na yun, and it's very, very empowering because, there's no, like you have mentioned that you are a person with disability, but this never really, diba? It was never a hindrance for you to be you. Diba? And you deserve, you know what you deserve. You know what it is that makes you happy, and you are great na jud in your own different way.
Not every day.
Yes.
Not every day.
Woo-hoo!
Sige.
Yes. Every day, okay. Even if we are a mess, because we are the we are the only person who knows ourselves. So even when there are days that, we feel like we are a mess, still, we don't give up. We don't give in. Okay, guys, nagwawala na po si Maggie dito sa background. Yes. So, you truly are a sugar babe. A great, great sugar babe.
Thank you.
Ano yun? I create.
I nurture.
I
create. I nurture.
I nurture. I create.
Ano yung sinabi ko? I am equal. I am equal to anybody, anyone.
Yes, I like the equal. Yes, I like that equal because personally, mag-share lang ako sa akin, kasi wala namang nag-interview sa akin. Charot. So I really love that equal part because, although I am a small girl and whatever, I may not be perfect in your eyes, but I would really,
nobody
to guys,
is perfect.
Even when I was in high school, yes, perfect is a judgment. Anyway, yes, and I would like people to treat me as an equal. So I really love that. I like that part. Yes, what else is possible? So ang sarap na ating chikahan. May part 2 ba ito? So, yes, I think masaya and marami pa tayong questions, but we will jump na sa ating magandang question, the finale, because Miss Cheryl, you are the first person who came into my mind when, of course, our beloved Tina suggested na interview. So you are my favorite sugar babe. Now, the last question that I have for you, I prepared for you, is, what is the best thing about you?
Best thing for me.
The best thing about you. It's all about you. Aside from, yes, the one that you mentioned earlier.
As I said, I'm a person with disability. But before the disability, there is the person. Okay? So, as a person, I grew up, syempre, hindi ko mapantayan yung mga sisters ko, I cannot run, I cannot do the things na ginagawa ng ibang tao. So I overcompensate. Yeah. And it was not easy kasi 'di ba, like kailangan almost kailangan mas mataas ako, kailangan mas ayos, ganyan. So it was such a lot of a mix of emotions na kailangan, because I am this, so kailangan kahit ganyan maganda siya, yung ganon. Tapos it took me years before na-accept ko yung aking condition, because I always ask God, why me? Why at 3 years old I had polio? So, ayun. Until I joined ACIM, dun na lang din nasagot yung journey ko in where I am now, even if nandun ako sa Davao Jubilee where I work as a executive director of persons with disability. It's a physical rehabilitation center. Kaya pala, it was given to me because I am destined to be there and serve the sector, the persons with disability sector. So ngayon ko lang siya natuhog lahat. And I'm just grateful. It's not because na I am given talent, I'm given intellect, no. I'm just grateful because nalampasan ko lahat yon, and I was intact. I hindi ako sumabog, hindi ako I was not broken. I was. Oo. I was, but now masasabi mo talaga na if you are really destined for this path, kahit anong mangyayari talaga to get you there. And I am here, I arrived. So kaya nga sinasabi ko, I'm not even with the pandemic, if I'll have COVID, I'll die. Okay, hindi ako takot because I've done yung purpose ko. I know I have done it. With all, hindi kacharutan ha na I think I have arrived. I have done. If I am to be reincarnated, okay lang din. Pero yeah, I think I've arrived. Especially this year, there's a lot of there's a lot of life-changing shifts na tuhog ko na. So may mga loose ends, but then yeah, it's okay. So I hope, I shared, I have explained enough. Madrama ba? Pasensya na.
No, it's not madrama. I love it. Yes, it's really, yeah. Totoo.
I never had a very, it's the first time I had this very revealing conversation with anyone. Oo. Yeah. Oo, totoo. Tapos on air. Pag niyo ako itag, just
so yes, what else is... yeah, so what else is possible? Nakatag ka na. Okay lang yun. Because, this is, you showing up means money.
Yeah, why not? Yes. Sige, come. Give me.
Mm-hmm. Yes, so that's Miss Cheryl Arellano, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, ang ating
grabe naman yan.
Ating pinaka-intimate na conversation with her intimate. Yes. And do you have any message for people, especially is there, or does Davao Jubilee Foundation need contribution, or what does it require? What do you require? Anything? Any words?
I am serving the persons with disability sector. Davao Jubilee Foundation is a physical rehabilitation center. We have a lot of programs for physical rehab. You can go to our website and our Facebook account. So we serve persons who has mobility challenges. We give artificial legs. We do physical therapy. We have a hearing center for those who cannot hear. We do eye surgery for for may mga problema sa cataract and everything. So, and then on top of that, yeah, you can access our services. Just siguro maano ni Tina mamaya. Search lang Double Jubilee Foundation, lalabas na yung website. And then I'm here to serve. I'm here to give light in the little way I can. Ayun lang siya. Thank you so much for having me here in your first ever Sugar Babe session, ha?
Yes.
Thank you. I enjoy it, guys.
Salamat. Yes, parang gusto pa namin ng part 2.
Why not coconut?
Yes. So, yeah, Ate Rhea is also watching. Thank you so
much.
Hi,
Rhea. I miss you.
Yes, we missed you all of you. So, the ASIM family, yeah, I hope they're also watching. So, yes, whether you're watching this right now or on replay, so we miss you. we hope that you will see this message. We miss you. Yes. And yeah, Ate Cheryl, thank you so much for being with us. And we really appreciate that you really, yes, you really, Tagalog tayo. Maraming salamat at pinaunlakan mo ang aming invitation. Paanyaya.
Kayo pa ba? Fox Tribe Girl. Yeah.
Oo.
I'm a fox.
Yes. Too. Yes. Thank you so much. And
thank you, Tina. Darlene, Momoa. Oh, naman. Yes, go. Salamat.
You are Foxy Sugar Babe. So, thank you so much, everyone. This has been Zai. And we are going to have a lot of classes and a lot, like, so many. Ate Cheryl, dyan ka muna ha. Magbababay pa tayo later. So, yeah, we have upcoming class and upcoming calls and classes here. Just follow Mystic Angels, Hippie Market, and Fox Tribe. And yeah, our first asana. Am I still here? So I cannot see anyone.
We can see you.
So, okay. I think Zai cannot see the video. Is that it? You cannot see the presentation. So anyway, tomorrow there's gonna be an Access Bars intro at 9:30 in the morning. So just be there, and it's gonna be 300 pesos per head for the intro if you want to learn about Access Bars, just to know the little bits about it. And if you want to give the gift of Glow Up also tomorrow, it's only 555 pesos. And there's also Sunya Sundays. This coming Sunday, of course, 9:30 a.m. FB Live at the Fox Tribe. Also, online Hippie Market, 7:30 p.m. Also, another FB Live at Mystic Angels Hippie Market na Facebook page. So I hope you follow all of our Facebook page so that you can join and see us. We do a lot of live selling here. Wow. And there's also another class called Relationships Done Different by Access Consciousness Certified Facilitator Ryan T. It's this January 26 to 29. So if you want to do something, if you want something different about relationships, this is the class to be. This is not about the rightness of being in a relationship, but rather, what can you choose differently if you're in a relationship? Not about trying to get it right, but rather, yeah, what's the most important thing? Well, what about you and relationships? So yon, it's gonna be 9 p.m. to 12 midnight in Philippine time. And it's still ongoing, 21 days of miraculous energy pools, body energy pools, and with Miss Junaline Banyas Muzi. And this is still ongoing. You can still sign up and just message us here in the Fox Tribe. another one, we have every Wednesdays. Stay tuned. We're always sharing a lot of access classes and calls and tools. So join us at Get Happy Unicorn every Wednesdays, 3 p.m. And every Wednesdays, 8 p.m., we have Fun-Filled Freedom Nights with Crown Ambassador Neng Sualto, joined by our leaders from all over the Philippines. And Zero Fox given every Mondays, January 20. So this Monday, we will have trivia about tea. So if you joined us last Tea Time Thursday, you can answer and we will have prizes. So it's FB Live Monday. And our online and our hippie market is gonna be back. It's gonna be on February 5 to 6 and February 12 to 13. This is a live hippie market. And this is an all-in-one celebration of the Fox Tribe anniversary and Chinese New Year. We will have sunya, crystals, books, shirts, pre-loved apparel, food, angel reading sessions, access bar session, and more. Just book yourself in any of the schedule, 5 to 6, and February 12 to 13, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So join us, have fun with us. And every Friday, same time, we have the FB Live Fox Tribe here called Sugar Babe. So that's all. And Zai is, you know, it's Zai's turn. She's still connecting to audio. Oh no, she's gone. So we would like to honor and acknowledge everybody who's watching us right now. I cannot be on cam. So we will just wait for Zai to show up. And hello to Serena Nita for watching. Ate Nita is watching. Ate Cheryl.
Hi, Ate Nita.
So this
I miss you.
Diba? This is so it's a very lovely space. Thank you so much, Ate Cheryl.
Thank you. Thank you, Tina.
For gracing us this beautiful day. And you are really a certified sugar babe because you're not waiting for anyone. You're just like out there doing things, celebrating life every day. And I love what you said about, you know, being 50 is like being 18 years old again with 32 years of experience. So that's really lovely. And what a beautiful way to live life. Like it's always you asking maybe that, who am I today? You just, you know, celebrate yourself every day. So we
thank you
and acknowledge you for being here.
I commend you for doing this. This is a good platform to be vulnerable, to share insights and to share your story. Thank you so much, Fox Tribe. Thank you for featuring me in Sugar Babes. Just add sugar.
So thank you so much. We
Salamat.
had fun with you, our beautiful, beautiful Ate Cheryl.
We are all beautiful.
Yes. And yes, what else is possible? How does it get any better than this? We are honored to have you talaga. Thank you for being our very first guest. And
Namaste.
Too soon. So see you, everybody. Thank you, Ate Cheryl. And thank you, for your awesome hosting. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Zai. I love you all. Thank Tina and Darlene and everyone online. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye.
I love you.